linear equation in two variables for standard 10. This is part 9. We will be doing some problems related to speed and distance. The places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same distance at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So, we'll let the speed of the car starting from A be x and from starting from B be y kilometers per hour. Now, we have two cases, and that is how we will be framing two equations. So, in the first case, the cars, it is given A and B are 100 kilometers apart. So, this distance AB is 100. The car travels in the same distance at different speeds. So, this car is going like this car is also going like this, and they will be meeting at the point D. That means the speed of the car A is much higher than the speed of the car B starting from B, and they are meeting at the point D. They meet in 5 hours. So, for the car to reach from B to D is also 5 hours, from A to D is also 5 hours. So, the first case is moving in same direction, they meet at point D in 5 hours. So, we will be using the formula speed is equal to distance by speed is equal to distance by time. So, distance is equal to speed into time. So, the distance travelled by car A to reach D, it is AD is equal to x into 5, that is distance is equal to speed into time. Now, distance travelled by car B to reach D, that is BD is equal to y into 5. From here to y, speed of car this here is 5, the time taken is 5. So, AD and BD, we got the distance AD and BD. Now, we know from the figure we know AB is 100. So, AD minus BD is equal to AB. So, we can say 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. So, now this is the first equation. If you simplify, I will get x minus y equal to 20. Now, case 2. Here both the cars, they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. So, they are going, car A is going like this and car B is moving towards A. So, they meet at this point D in 1 hour. So, same, the distance travelled AD is equal to, now the time taken is 1 hour. So, x into 1 and BD is equal to y into 1 equal to y. Now, AD plus BD is equal to AB. So, x plus y is equal to 100. So, this is the second equation. Solving 1 and 2. X minus y equal to 20, x plus y equal to 100, adding 2x is equal to 120. So, x is equal to 60, substituting x is equal to 60 in equation 2, we get y is equal to 40. So, speed of car A is 60 kilometers per hour and car B is 40 kilometers per hour. A travelled 300 kilometers by train and 300 kilometers by train and 200 kilometers by taxi. It took him 5 hours 30 minutes. But if he travels 260 kilometers by train and 240 kilometers by taxi, he takes 6 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and that of the taxi. So, let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour and taxi be y kilometer per hour. So, the case 1. So, this is AB is the total distance from here to here. He is travelling by train 300 kilometers and the remaining by taxi. So, again we will be using time is equal to distance by speed. So, now the time taken by train plus time taken by taxi is equal to total time taken. So, now time taken by train will be distance by speed. So, distance is 300. Speed of the train is x kilometers per hour. So, x 300 by x plus 200 by y is equal to, now he takes 5 hours 30 minutes. So, 5.5 hours. So, that is 11 by 2. Now, this is the first equation. Now, the second case is if it travels 260 kilometers by train and 240 by taxi and he takes 6 minutes longer. So, he takes 5 hours 36 minutes. So, similarly, 260 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 5 hours 36 minutes. Now, we have to convert this 36 to hours. So, 36 by 60. So, you will get this as 28 by 5. So, this is equation 2. Now, if you see here, it is 1 by x, it is not 300x. We have been doing like till now all the problems like 300x plus 200y, where x and y are in the numerators, but here if you see it is in the denominators. So, we have to use a different approach for solving this. So, let 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. So, 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. So, this will become, the equation A will become 300p plus 200q is equal to 11 by 2, and simplifying this, I will get 30 P plus 20 Q is equal to 11 by 20. This is equation 1, and this 260 P plus 240 Q is equal to 28 by 5. Simplifying, 26 P plus 24 Q is equal to 14 by 25. Now, to solve this, I will make the coefficients of Q same. So, I will take the LCM of 20 and 24. So, I will multiply the first equation by 6 because it is 20. So, if I multiply by 6, this will become 180 P plus 120 Q is equal to 33 by 10. And the second equation is 24, 6 into 4, 24. So, I have to multiply by 5. So, this will become 130 P plus 120 Q is equal to 14 by 5. I subtract. So, I will get it as 50 P is equal to 5 by 10. From this, P is equal to 5 by 10 into 50 is equal to 1 by 100. So, therefore, we have taken P equal to 1 by x. So, 1 by 100 equal to 1 by x. Therefore, x is equal to 100. Now, substituting x is equal to 100 in this equation, straight away we can find the value of y. Instead of finding q and then writing the reciprocal, we can straight away put it in this equation. So, 300 by 100 is 3 plus 200 by y is equal to 11 by 2. From this, I will get y is equal to, simplifying, y is equal to 80. So, the speed of the train, speed of x is train, speed of the train is 100 kilometers per hour, and speed of taxi is 80 kilometers per hour.